Hello, this is my TRX6 hauler with sliding bed and tip function. Got it just assembled and ready to go. Tested it with that rig on the back. Post a video of that, of course. No lights yet on the back or on the side. Need to clean it up. But first I will show you how it works. It's fully functional with electric linear actuators and some 3D print files. Look at that beauty. 30 seconds, fully functional, and back as well. Let me show you what I have under the hood. It's a bit noisy. It's not the fastest ones, but it works for me. It's 30 seconds, fully functional, up and running, ready to load. What I have is the optional open beds or storage bins, 3D printed as well. I put it original XL5 HV 3S ENC in there. Got it running up to the receiver. You'll see that over there. External battery, need to sort that out over here to make it work. Maybe a smaller one or put it under the cap. I don't know yet. Running the power leads to the actuator that is vertical up here for the sliding, and I have another source for the tipping, so that works for me. Also made a file so I can still got a tow hook on there. Need to clean up the wires as well. It's fully sliding on rails with some modifications over here, here, and on the back there as well. All screws are back in place. Yeah, I need to mount there a winch for vehicles that don't drive. This one drives, but not at the moment. Power leads for the lights, need to figure that out to put that under here because there is room. Also for the lights in the bed, there's still room to guide all the wires on top or below the bed on top of the supports. I'm using a Dumbo DDF350 10 receiver using my channel 7 and my winch lines buttons. Everything still functions. Got my buttons for the locker still, 2-speed front and rear locker, and then the knobs are not working at the moment. Don't look at the mess under here. Let me put that away. Original or not original motor anymore. It's a 1800 kV Fusion SE 10 receiver by Dumbo. Got all things wired up and ready to go. This is the electrical winch switch for the tipping. Looks like this. It's a little switchboard, power leads, and your ESC connector. GST and Futaba, just the normal ones. You can even get an extender with it for your power leads if you need one. I just solder it up, shrinked it with some, what do you call it? Some of this. Made the connection, run it through, get it here, close this up, and then it's ready to go. Need to sort this out for the ESC as well, put a hole in here, run it through the chassis and go up there. Original lighting still works, everything still works. I'm gonna install a light kit up here as well, even for that little connector. Yeah, what's the specs? Use some aluminium. It's 2x2 or 20x20 mils. 2x2 centimeters or 20x20 mils. Printed all my parts in pad G. They're all screwed back to the bed. Use linear actuators for tipping. Two 30mm with 150 Newton 4mm a second travel. I'm using yeah, the text is upside down, so I can't show you really, but if you pause it and reverse your camera, let me focus it. Yeah, that's it. This one is 150 millimeters. Got a 70 Newton meter, 7 seconds travel on 12 volts. It's currently at 3S, so 11.2 at the max. 11.1 when it's normal, a little bit over, but 12 volts, more or less 11-12 volts. These ones work only on 6 volts because it's switching off the ESC, so it's half the speed, half the power at the moment. If you run it from an ESC as well, you can put it 11 to 12 volts. It's your choice. It's a hobby, so make it the best you want. It's print files by NickShark, but NickShark doesn't supply any technical support or information. So I reached out to another one and he had some pictures, some movies with the same files. It works, but not for me. I edited a couple of files, put a tow bar on there, make it my own and make it workable for me. Also edit the slides to make it less friction and some easier guiding, because it's now kept on the rails. It's a little bit shaky, but that's alright. When you put a rig on there, it's sturdy as can be. When you load up a rig and it's on there, it's heavy, it's gonna put your wheels, and got original wheels vented from TRX6 G63 Mercedes one. They don't work really for this application, so I need to change them out for some sturdy ones. Also gonna add some stabilizers. Got the set on AliExpress, I think, yeah. Or you can get them from Amazon. It's an axial rift one, so yeah, we'll follow up on that. Gonna put it through here and then connect it to the rear axle or middle axle, I don't know yet. See what works for me. But yeah, this is it. Hope it's helpful for you. Here you have the bottom side. It's really sturdy. All the bolts here good to go. Drill toes on 2.5 millimeters. They're M3 by 8 millimeters long. On the sides you can use M3 by 10 millimeters long. This is the original hardware with some M3 screw in there. Just measure it up, pre-drill it, put one through. The bracket for the actuator with the bolt and nut in there is with the package of the actuator. Same goes here. Actuator bracket with bolt and the other one. Don't need a bracket, just put some how do you call them, spaces between there, some rings. This is what works for me, because my heads are peeking out of the side, so I need to add some clearance to still make it functional and don't scrap up against those screws. Both sides as well. M8 bolts, in there for the swinging part, for the tilt part. It's a tilt part with guidance. It's all printed pad G from Bamboo Lab, so pretty standard. These holes, oh, let me see if I can. These holes are pre-printed, so you just need to put an M3 in there. Don't pre-drill them because it's not necessary. For the rest of the beams, those are the middle beams, front support, back support, even with screw possibilities on the back side if you want that. I don't need it, I think it's sturdy enough, but yeah, you can do that if you want. Pre-drill them with 2.5 millimeters maximum. If you have a 2.2 or 2.3, even better. Don't use a tap or anything to make some threads in there. Let the bolts do the work, because if you pre-thread them, it's gonna slip and it's gonna spin out inside of the plastic, and it doesn't hold very well. These are a little bit longer. These are M3 by 10s. Use M3 by 8s. You will be perfect good. These ones are long as well. I'm gonna change them out in a bit, but for now it's working. You see as well, you can still put the original electrical underneath the bed, so that's perfect. Still have access to your blocks if you want to move them. Winch access if you want. It's still reachable from under here, but you need to install that first, then put your mount back up, then assemble everything. Good to go. These one, pre-drill, 2.5 mils. Put the original screws back in. You're golden, good to go. Change some suspension if you want to, but that's how you like it. I put a block here. I need to put one here as well to keep it sturdy and level. Still need to make the right one that works for me. Because I have the aftermarket printed, or not aftermarket, the printed variants of the tanks and the steps. Got originals as well, but yeah, I like this more. Bit of black on black theme. Even with storage boxes as well. Made them screws in there. Works for me. Closes, opens, can put the thing in there. Golden. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I will answer them as quickly as possible. I'm still a normal working guy as well. So yeah, this is my share of the hobby and some explanation of what I did here. Quick overview. 30 mil, 150 Newton. 30 mil is just a max extension from the shaft that extends 30 millimeters. That's more than enough to get it on the ground. Two pieces of that cost about 20 euros, so $18 or something per piece. So yeah, it's not cheap, but it's not quite expensive as well. The 150 millimeter, I got a 70 newton meters. You got a 150 as well. It's a bit slower. If you put it on 12 volts, it will be good. You can even buy the 6 volts of these. They should be quicker because they operate on 6 volts maximum. So the given speed is on 6 volts and not on 12. I chose 12 because I like it. I don't know, it's first try. So got a couple of more that I bought. That's the 10. It's way too short. That's the 200. Way too short. There's one. There's a 60. Yeah, 96 newton meters, 9.5 seconds travel. It's pretty quick. And got the 150. Let me see if I get that sharp. Nope, can't get that sharp. Sorry. It's 112 volts, 150 millimeters, 4 millimeters second, 150 newton meter torque. So quite enough for this rig to get that up. So that was my overview. Questions, shoot them. Thank you. Bye bye.